friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be cooking Trader Joe's frozen shrimp boomba in the air fryer. It's described as crispy, battered, tail-loaf shrimp with a sweet and spicy sauce. Sounds amazing, and I'm super excited to make it in the air fryer. So let's open up the package of shrimp boomba. So here's the sauce, we'll set it aside. And let's take the shrimp, take out the air fryer basket. And open the package and put the shrimp in the air fryer basket in a single layer. And let's put the air fryer basket in the air fryer. Now I'm going to set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And I will set the time to 10 minutes. Cooking, I'm going to take the sauce and I will put it in a bowl of warm tap water. So I'm just going to fill the water from the tap. You can do hot water. I'm just waiting till it gets hot. Alright, so now here's hot tap water, and I'll put this packet in this water, and it's going to get thawed while the shrimp is being cooked. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. Look at that, it looks amazing. Look how crispy it is. So nicely brown, perfectly cooked with a crispy crust. This is a perfect battered shrimp. Let's take it out of the air fryer. Perfect. And now the sauce. So take a look at the sauce. It should be defrosted. Let's say if it didn't get fully thawed, just hold it under hot running tap water and squeeze it until it gets fully defrosted, but mine is thawed, so it's ready. So I'm going to just cut open a sauce packet and pour that sauce over the shrimp. Perfect. So now let's toss it. So shrimp is coated evenly with a spicy sauce. Looks so good. Crispy breading with a spicy sauce. I am super excited about trying it. Looks so good. And now let's try it. It is so delicious. Juicy, tender shrimp inside with a crispy breading on the outside and a spicy sauce that goes so well with it. This shrimp tastes amazing. So Trader Joe's shrimp boomba, to me it tastes like Bang Bang shrimp, so I think it's Trader Joe's take on Bang Bang shrimp. Super delicious, so easy to make. Air fryer makes it super crispy. Give it a try, you will love it. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!